Joseph. Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about the Sonata. I took the opportunity to pull this one out for you. Keep in mind we've got so many different colors, styles, different packages to choose from, but let's get right to it. It's got ample room in the back for 3 people. Up front, for your safety and convenience, you've got volume control, cruise control, your trip reset that toggles through the back display, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. Hey, it's also got heated front seats, which is nice. There's AM, FM, XM satellite radios free for the first 3 months. Auxiliary iPod, USB, it gives you every avenue to listen to your music. I want to tell you real quick, Joseph, about the America's Best Warranty. There's 100,000 mile or 10-year on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. There is much more to explain about this car. My name is Shannon Coward. Please give me a call, Joseph. The number here is 205-380-6250. My cell number, 205-907-4700. Remember, it's not just any Hyundai, Joseph. It's a Tameron Hyundai, and I can't wait to meet you.